What's up guys, Pammy's back with another video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
And today we're gonna talk about a hairdo that works well for curly heads. So I don't know if you guys had the chance to watch my finger coiling video. I'm filming this video the next day, which means it's my day 2 of curly hair. For the first time, I styled my hair with a scarf today and I posted it on Instagram because I loved it so much. And I was like, I need to film this and show you guys how I did it. But please just keep in mind that I'm like very far from being a pro at this. I'm 100% sure that there are many other ways to do this hairdo. So consider this video for beginners since I'm a beginner. I'm pretty sure I'll improve my technique in a couple of months, but that's what we have for today. So I got this scarf from Amazon. It was around $18 and there was so many good reviews about it, so I got another one at the same time. So they come in a bag like this. So I got a green and a black one. Cute. The only thing about it is that it's very long, and when I fold it, it becomes super thick, so it's harder for me to do the style that I want to do because it's too long and too thick. Let me just show you. Alright, so step 1 is to separate your hair. So basically, you just need to separate them in 2 sections. So here are my 2 sections. These are the hair that I'm leaving on my face, and the rest I'm gonna tie it up. Let's start by folding it in 2. And now we're gonna fold it in 3. Alright, so now that it's folded, we're just gonna go around their head, just like this. And we're gonna tie it up. Alright guys, I'm doing this again because I wasn't satisfied. As you can tell, I'm a beginner. So we're gonna go back again. So you can tie it up as much as you want. I think this time it worked better. So now what we're gonna do is just twist the ends. So let's start with one side. And then we're gonna tuck it in the opposite side. And then bring this one to the other side. All right, so it's supposed to look like something like this. Like, I think it's cute for pictures, no? But I'm just worried about the back because I can't see it and I'm only gonna see it when I'm gonna edit this video, so let's go see. What does it look like? Is it terrible, guys? I don't know. Listen, I'm really trying here. So again, guys, I'm really far from being a pro. Oh, my fries are ready. I'm making fries. I love fries so much, it's like my weakness. And it's Saturday, so I'm totally allowed to spoil myself. I deserve it. Alright, so let's just do a little recap. All I did was section my hair in 2, and then I tied up the rest of my hair, left those in the front, took the scarf, folded it in 3. I passed the scarf from the back, I tied it up, I brought it to the back, I tied it up there too. Then I twisted the ends and I tucked them in opposite sides. So I don't know how good this is, but at least you can get a cute picture out of it. Look. I think you can. I really feel that people who are watching this and that are amazing at doing this are like cringing right now and they're like, what is this? Please feel free to share your tips and tricks in the comments below because I think I need them. I feel like it's super cute. You can style it in so many ways, you know, just by putting like big earrings, big loops, like a crop top. I just like it. Even if it's just for a cute picture, I mean, it's so cute. Why not? And again, guys, I'm just having fun on my channel. So I'm the type to really try out so many things because I'm just curious in life. So if I have the chance to also share those things with you guys, I will. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, do it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I can't wait for you to watch the upcoming videos. I'm out of here for now, but I'll see you very soon. Bye guys. Fries for days. They're already cold. Are you ketchup or not ketchup? Depends my mood.